What is this? Are you recording?
You want me to take it out?
Please.
The recording, yes.
Okay.
I didn't see that part.
All right. Good morning, Ms. Agbastieli.
Hi, good evening.
So you're telling me that you have a lawyer?
Yeah,
Who is your lawyer?
Attorney Rehan.
Who is it?
Rehan?
See if they filed it. Do you know if this person is going to show up today?
Yeah, he's there.
Okay. We're just going to do probable cause now. You now are charged with unlawful restraint. You're facing up to a year in jail and or a $4,000 fine.
Let's take a closer look. Unlawful restraint isn't just
Was
a fancy
there
legal phrase.
It
means one person stopped another from leaving, holding them somewhere against their will. That's not a minor argument or a misunderstanding. It's a serious offense. In fact, it can carry up to a year in jail, depending on the circumstances.
At this time?
What's striking here is how casually it's brought up, almost like it's just another moment in the day. But in the eyes of the law, it's anything but ordinary. Every second someone is held without consent counts. And that makes this charge far from simple. It's a line you can't cross, no matter the excuse.
You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can or will be used against you. You have the right to have an attorney present during questions and interviews. If you cannot afford a lawyer will be appointed to represent you. We will do this now. And then after that, we will just have you wait right over there for your lawyer to come. Hopefully they will show up. Okay, I love it. Good morning.
On August 5th, 2024, officers were dispatched to a hostage event at a townhouse in Harris County, Texas. The reporting, who is the project manager of the townhouse complex, called 911. The reporting indicated that the defendant was wearing an all-black religious garment and had a face mask.
Now, this is where things take a darker turn. Imagine shutting off someone's electricity or water to make them leave. It might sound like a tough tactic, but legally, it's called constructive eviction, and it's straight up illegal in most states. Then comes the even more shocking claim, locking someone inside, denying them an exit. That's not just desperation.
I don't know
That's
if I'm ready
a
to roll
deliberate
yet.
act of control.
Ms. Agbastieli,
It paints a picture
are you
not of
sure that you're
conflict, but
going to
of
have a lawyer
dominance.
here today?
The
Because I'd like
courtroom will
to hear
now
your
have to
side.
decide,
Yeah.
was this a heated emotional outburst
I don't want to
or a
rule this yet,
calculated
but I'd like
move
to
to
hear your
strip
side.
someone of their freedom and
There's-
dignity?
Ladies, the complaining witness inside a townhouse against his will. The reporting advised the defendant was trying to evict a witness, or trying to get a witness to self-evict. She was trying to get the witness, who is her tenant in the townhouse, to self-evict by shutting down the power and water to the unit repeatedly. The complaining witness, who is the maintenance man for the townhouse complex, went to go check on the tenants to see if they were okay. The reportee indicated that the defendant locked the steel gate, which would not allow the complaining witness to leave. A key lock on the front and key lock on the back side. The tenant did not have the key to the back side of it, so if she locks the front, there's no way to pass through the gate.
Okay, so the unlawful restraint is
Yes, Your Honor.
outside?
It's a gate, and then like the gate in the porch, on the porch, like a burglar gate.
Okay, so I'm assuming, so here's the door, and then you have, I guess what, like those black burglar bars that they
Yes,
say.
Your Honor.
So he couldn't get into the house
He couldn't get out of the house.
and he couldn't
She
get
locked
out,
him in the house without electricity or air conditioning.
and no back door to get out, no window? I don't understand.
We're getting there, Your Honor. When officers arrived, they spoke with the complaining witness, who said that he escaped 5 minutes prior, and the defendant and the witness were still inside the home. The complaining witness reported the house was really hot because the air conditioning wasn't on. Complaining witness stated the back patio door was also locked, and the defendant had locked him in. The defendant had made a motion at the time to her purse, which the complaining witness believed, or which made the complaining witness believe that she had a gun. The witness corroborated the complaining witness's story. And
I don't understand how this person cannot just unlock the door and leave from,
it was locked. It's so the doors, instead of having a push button on one end and then a key lock on both sides, on the other side, it's a key lock on both sides.
on both sides.
That's the doors, Your Honor, which the maintenance man, the complaining witness, indicated was a violation of the fire code.
Well, that's neither here nor there, but doesn't this person have a master key? Or I guess this is a residence,
He
right?
doesn't have a master key, Your Honor. He's the maintenance man for like the condo association. So he maintains the condo. Each of the units has its own keys.
How long was allegedly stuck in the house and how did he get out? This is what I'd like
And
to
then
hear
comes
your
a
side.
moment that sets off
there's-
every red
I'd like
flag,
to be silent.
telling someone
I'd
to
like
shut
wait
up
on my lawyer.
while they're trying to
Right,
leave.
right.
Those
And
words,
I'm not asking you to say
simple as
anything
they
now.
sound, can
when
change
that person
everything.
gets here,
What
then
could have been seen
you
as an
talk with them,
argument
and then
suddenly
we can
transforms
Yeah,
into
sure.
intimidation,
Yes, sir.
even coercion.
So do you mind just taking
the
a seat for
timing,
me and then just
power
giving us a heads
dynamic,
up when your lawyer
they
comes?
all matter. If
Miss
there's
Abacieli,
video
come
or
up, ma'am.
audio evidence backing this claim, it could speak louder than any testimony. A single clip could reveal whether fear was present in that room, and that makes all the difference between misunderstanding and a criminal act.
And why? Was there did this, well, I guess,
Attempting to turn the power and water back on in the unit because she has been repeatedly turning off the power for the tenants who live there. He told her repeatedly that he wanted to leave.
so presumably she's outside at this time?
She's in there with him, Your Honor. She asked him to sit down on the chair. There's a video that shows complainant asking defendant to let him go multiple times, and with her telling the complainant to shut up. I don't have the means by which he had left the apartment, Your Honor. I just know that he got out at some point. He got out 5 minutes before the officers arrived.
So he was able to leave 5 minutes before the officers arrived?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did she let him go?
So it says, for the OR at least, the duration of time, I know that was asked, was an hour and 20 minutes. I'm gonna see how he left. I'm trying to read through the OR to supplement your questions, Judge.
I don't know if I'm ready to rule yet. Ms. Abacieli, are you sure that you're going to have a lawyer here today? Because I'd like to hear your side.
My lawyer, yeah.
Um,
Attorney Rehan, yeah.
I don't want to rule just yet, but I'd like to hear your side. If there's,
I'd like to be silent. I'd like to wait on my lawyer.
well, right, and I'm not asking you to say anything now. When that person gets here, then you talk with them and then we can
Yeah, sure.
readdress
Yes, sir.
PC at
Yes, Your
that.
Honor.
So do you mind just taking a seat for me and then just giving us a heads up when your lawyer comes? Ms. Abacieli, come up, ma'am.
I explained to her the no contact there.
Okay, great. Okay, for now, I am going to find that there's probable cause to go forward. If something develops in the future, I've told that you guys can come back and we can argue about probable cause. The only thing I'm going to ask you is please do not have contact with the complaining witness in this case and don't be in possession of any weapons. As long as you can abide by these and you do not pick up any new cases, you will be fine with us. Because you have a lawyer, I will waive your appearance. You don't have to waste your time coming to court, but please stay in contact. If he tells me he can't get a hold of you because you're playing games, I don't.
Now
be in
we reach the
possession of
heart of the
weapons.
case.
As long as you can abide by
The
these and you
defense
do
and
not pick up any new
prosecution
cases, you will
both
be
know
fine
that
with
one
us.
thing could decide it all.
Because
Body
you
cam
have a
footage.
lawyer, I will
That
waive
camera
your
doesn't lie,
appearance.
it
You don't
doesn't
have to waste your
exaggerate.
time coming to
It
court,
just
but please
records.
stay in
If it
contact.
confirms the
If he
witness's
tells me he
account,
can't get a hold of you
this
today,
case is nearly
do you have any
airtight.
questions?
But if it tells a different story,
Okay, so just no contact,
the
no weapons,
entire
and that's it.
foundation of the charge
Okay.
could crumble. This is where truth
Okay.
meets technology, and every frame will
Go back to
matter.
the body cam
Will the
issues,
footage expose a crime of control?
The body cam
Will
issues,
reveal
so,
that
like,
things
to
weren't
say
as
how
clear-cut as
we're
they
motion
seem.
was so controversial,
The answer
but
lies
it's
in
been
the
tagged,
names.
so I don't know how we're gonna.
I mean, I don't think that you would have any opposition to that, would you?
I do, at this juncture, I think Pavel said the body cam, like to retrieve her body cameras from HPD evidence.
For the motion to restore, Judge, I just need to talk to the investigator and see if we're retrieving it anyways.
If you're what?
If we're gonna retrieve that footage to make it available, I think we're already in the process of doing that. That's the only thing that's holding me back. But right now, I'm objecting because it's a part of a pending investigation. At this point, I just need to confirm it with the investigator.
Do you want to set it a couple weeks just to see if that happens?
Yeah, I mean, I really just need a week, but yeah, a couple weeks.
Are we judged, because like I said, he's.
I'm waiving her appearance.
Oh, absolutely.
So, I mean, she's not gonna have to come here, so
2 weeks will suffice, Judge.
whatever you want, I don't care. Yeah, because you guys fight over whatever day, and then, I mean, if you want to, I'll grant your motion to get it back, though.
Yes, sir.
If they're not gonna get it back first, so.
Thank you, Judge.
Yeah, thank you, Judge.
I believe.